Hello guys, today I'm going to make a little review on the broker pocket option. I will explain every bottom. I will show you what bottom you need for trading, etc, etc. Let's start. So guys, at first this is a broker pocket option that I am using actually from the 2019. It means almost 6 years. Okay, let's start from the block left side. Here we have a bottom trading. When you are clicking on this bottom, you are opening another menu. The first bottom is quick trading real account. That means that you are on real account, on real money that you are already deposited on the broker. Here we have a quick trading demo account. I am advising you to using demo account while you are learning trading, because there is no risk to lose your money. We are also shares trading real account. Actually, you don't need these two bottoms. We have Forex MT4 real account. That means that you can also trade on this broker as a Forex broker, as a MT4, if you know about the MetaTrade 4 and MetaTrade 5. So we have here also MetaTrade 4 demo account. For example, you are interested to have a trading in this type of trading like a Forex. You can use in this broker, and MetaTrade 4 and 5 also here. Actually, I'm not using such a type of trading. I'm only trading on the binary option, but you can, the broker has this type of instruments and you can also use them if you want. So quick trading real. Okay, we came back again. So under the trading we have a bottom finance where you can deposit, make a deposit, withdrawal from the broker, history. For example, I can show you my withdrawals, as you see, cashbacks, promo codes, and my save. I don't know, this is not actually interesting. I'm not using these bottoms, and I'm not think that you will using this cashback only, for example, but this is on your opinion actually. So we have a profile here, we have a trading profile, loyalty program, a trading history, and security. Trading profile I will show you. So in this menu we have a balance. You can choose the period that the broker will show you the balance or your profitability. As you see, I'm using this broker from the January 2019. It means almost 6 years I am trading on this broker. And you can notice that from this part that I am deposited $3,000, actually I really grown up till the $86,000. So the whole this period I make deals 19,626, and profitable trades was 67% for whole this period. Many person can, for example, notice that it is less than 85, as I told you, but this is for whole period, because I really had, like, for example, here you can notice that in the April 2024 I really had bad days, a couple of bad days, and I lose a little part of my deposit, but the whole my tradings is showing you that I really grown up, etc, etc. Many information about my tradings. Mean trade, it was the minimum that I can put on this broker. It's $1. The maximum profit $18,400 for a day, and maximum trade, it means the maximum deal that I made in this broker, it was $20,000. So profile I will not show you, because there is information about me, about my life, about my passport, etc, etc. Loyalty program, what is it? Loyalty program, it means that for example I have deposited here $3,000. that's why my status is a master. But for example, then you are deposited more than $10,000, you will have a guru, VIP elite, etc, etc. Okay, so under the bottom profile we have a market you can use for some bonuses. I'm not using actually this bottom at all. Purchases, you can buy any bonuses, risk free games, promo codes, or cashbacks, boosts, etc, etc. I think you will be able to understand what is it yourself also. A game lottery here, I'm not really, guys, I'm not using this menu. That's why I think that it will not be right to explain you myself I think it's better if you are, for example, interested in this menu, you will be able to understand yourself. So achievements, it is the same, it is bonuses also. Chat. In chat you can have a discussion with the supporting. For example, you need some, I don't know, you have some problem to solve, you are able to write them. And there is also some chats I'm not using. Also help, this is the questions that mostly is asking to the support. You can, maybe you will be able to find your answer on your question here. Logout and arrow, that making a menu a little. That's all. So let's go back to the quick trading, our main display. So we have a little menu here. This is the currencies. We have a search. We can find, for example, dollar with the yen, Japanese yen. It's better to find the currency that you need faster. That's all. The search is only for this. You can use also cryptocurrencies, etc., as I told you. And the most interesting thing that you will need for trading, this is these stars that making the currencies a favorite. But you can use these stars for adding these currencies in this block. As you see, I have marked 4 currencies pairs here, and these pairs shown on this block. As you see, I will take off this mark and the currencies also went from here. Then we have a little button here. This is chart type. So when you are clicking here, also opening a little menu where we have a chart types: line, candles, bars, Heiken, and Ashi. I will explain every chart in my other videos, okay? But the mostly, of course, the mostly traders are using the chart types of candles. We have also time frames from 5 seconds till 1 day. You can change them, for example, 4 hour, 1 day, 30 seconds. Actually, mostly I'm using 1 minute time frame, but for example, in trading quotes, when I want to see something to understand what is going on, I can use, for example, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 50 minutes also, but mostly I'm using M1. Okay, you can enable or turn off and turn on the timer here, etc., and you can, for example, choose the colors for the candles, but of course the most popular colors is the red and green. Let's go on with this menu. Here we have indicators, accelerators, etc., so you can also using this for trading, but at first you need to learn, of course, about them. I will also explain on in my future videos. The mostly traders using the indicators, parabolic SAR, for example, I can show you this, the RSI, stochastic, fractals, ADX, Bollinger Bands, MACD also, super trend, many traders also using it, and that's all. Bollinger Bands with I didn't use, awesome oscillator also, and alligator, and you can delete all from this one button. Of course, you can add every indicator in the favorites with the marked them with the star. That's all. We have a 3 dot here, and it's opening another menu that I'm not using also. Then very interesting option here, you can break your display from 1 chart to 4 chart, for example, like this, or I don't know, like this, as you see, as it's what type is more, I don't know, comfortable for you. For me, actually, the most comfortable thing is 1 chart, but if you want, for example, to see what is going on 2 currency pairs on 1 display, you can break them to 2 display, as you see in the broker inside, and just watching what is going on this, for example, 2 currency pairs at the same time. Okay, let's go back. So we have finished with this menu. On the up side, on the broker, on the up block, I already show you that you can add a currency pairs with the marked with the star here, but also we have a little upper block that is a logo of the pocket option. The currency pairs also you can open from here, and the menu, a little menu where there you can fastly just make a deposit, withdrawal. You can change the currency, as I know. Yes, you can make a currency exchange exchange here. You can go to Forex, my safe, etc, etc. So top up is mean the deposit, of course. I think that's all. You can also just make a zoom of your display here with the buttons. So for example, you don't have a scroll on your mouse, or you don't have a mouse, you can make with the buttons the same thing as you are making with the mouse with the scrolling. Yeah. So on this block we have a buttons buy and sell. This is the most important buttons actually. You need to every time before you are making a deal to see the percent of the payout. It is very important actually. So amount every time before making a deal, of course you need to be very attentive about the amount, what sum you are going to put on the deal, and the time, of course. You can for example use this type of times, or when you are for example clicking on the clock here, a little clock, you can use for example this type of time also. For example, you will choose in what time your deal will be over. At the right side we have another menu. It is trades. So this here you can find your opened or closed trade already, and the history of trades also. Under this button we have a signals. This is a signals from the pocket option from the broker. I am not advising you to use them, because as I understood, the broker needs you to having a losses to earn money. The broker is earning money from your losses actually. This is a binary option. This is not a forex, not a crypto trades, etc, etc, and you need to understand this. It's a very important part. That's why they are giving you a signals, and of course the mostly signals is going to be a minus. Social trading, this here you can find the every traders that are let you to find them actually, and you can connect to them to their trading. For example, when they are opening deal in your account, if you are connected to them in your account at the same time, the deal should be opened also. But I need to notice that, for example, as more traders are connected on the one-on-one trader, this function is going to have bugs, and the deals are opening slowly. If for example this trader opened a deal, your deal can be opened for example in 3 minutes, in 2 minutes, in 1 minute. In binary option, this is really very bad problem, and that's why I am not advising you to use this option also. Express trades, for example, you want to have I don't know, 3 currencies to open a deal on 3 currencies at the same time. You can do this on express trades. In tournaments you can take a part also. For example, if you not have money for the deposit, you can actually earn in tournaments. Like every tournament is going to be on demo account. If for example you will win this tournament, you will earn every day. They are making a tournament on $250 and $100, $100, etc, etc. You will be able to take part here also. For example, you are wanting to make an advanced deal, and for example you have some job, you need to go, you need to leave, or you want to go for a walk, and you have a good like local level here, and when for example the price will touch this level, you want to make a deal, you want to open a deal. With the pending trades, it is possible, like when you are for example choose not by the time but by the asset price, you will be able to choose a set price, and the deal will be open automatically without your taking part. Hotkeys, I think that it is you will be able to understand yourself. It's like hotkeys. You can open and close the deals with the buttons on your keyboard. I think that's all. I didn't explain you about the tools that the broker have. Horizontal line, vertical line, ray, Fibonacci retracement that I'm not using also, trend line, parallel channel, rectangle, etc, etc. You can use them for example for your analysis also. I think that's all, guys. I have explained you everything what the broker have, and I think this review will help you to understand what you can do on this broker, and in my future videos I will explain how you can earn and how you can trade on this broker, and if you watched this video, you will understand what is going on, and for example how you can buy and sell on this broker, or change the currencies, etc, etc. I think this technical video I need to have on my channel. That's all, guys. I hope you click like on this video, make some comments. I don't know, I know that my English is not perfect, but I think I explained you everything, and you will be able to understand what I have explained. That's all, guys. I'll see you on my next videos.